Scan for SOVI and straight A's only. Let's go!
Paired t-tests are essential when comparing the same subjects before and after an intervention. Let us break down this statistical problem quickly to find the answer.
Since we are comparing the same patients before and after, we use a paired t-test. The statistic is the mean difference divided by the standard error of the difference. Boom! Divide the mean difference of 0.2 by the standard error, which is 0.4 divided by the square root of 32. This gives us 2.8. With 31 degrees of freedom and a one-sided test, we look up the probability for a t-score of 2.828, which is 0.00. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Avoid skipping sample size or using wrong degrees of freedom. Always use paired tests instead.